friends. So I'm going to try to put this big journal together. This is what I've come up with the cover so far. I'll probably add a few, I don't know, something dimensional here as well. I haven't done that yet. And I put a little charm tassel thing on the side there. There's the back. I tied it with this ribbon, which hopefully is going to be long enough when this is all full. So it's pretty much empty so far. Here's my two end covers. I just, while I was playing with this end paper, I did a couple of index cards at the same time, so I just turned those into a pocket. So I have this mountain of ephemera. I have all of this that we made together. I have all of this that I made together, that we made together. I have tags, I have journaling cards, I have collages, I have lots of stuff you'll recognize. Most of this if you've been following me. So I'm going to put these things into the book. Maybe not all of them, I'm not sure. I have no idea what I'm going to do yet. And then I also have a pile of some smaller things. So this is some smaller things that I'd made that I just didn't want to get lost. So some of our flowers, some of our little collages and flowers and paper clips and things like that. So that's all in there as well. And then I also have just some scraps and bits and pieces. I have some of the pieces from the kit that I still haven't used, like this one here, and there's some labels and different things that I haven't used still from the kit, so I'll probably put those to good use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera on. I'm going to work. I will probably edit out some sections if it looks like it's just not progressing much. I might be thinking or whatever. And I'm going to speed it up, and I may interject either with writing on the screen or voiceover. I'm not sure. I've never done a voiceover yet. I'll try that. And put some music on in the background, and hopefully this video won't get too long. So here we go.
Shine and not be shamed. This poor man cried, was saved from his trials. The angel of the Lord surrounds his saints and delivers them. Oh, taste and see that he is good. Blessed is he who trusts in him. Oh, taste and see that he is good. He is good, good to me.
Fear the Lord, oh you his saints, 'cause those who fear him, they have no want. Young those who seek Him lack no good thing. Come, oh children, listen to me. I'll counsel you in the fear of Yahweh. Which one of you wants to live a life that's rich and long and full of good? Keep your tongue from evil words. Hold back your lips from speaking lies. Depart from evil and do good. Seek peace and go after it. Oh, taste and see that He is good. Blessed is he who trusts in Him. Oh, taste and see that He is good. He is good, good to me.
The eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and His ears listen for their cry. The face of the Lord is against the wicked. Their legacy will fade away. When the saints cry out, the Lord hears. He saves them out of all their trials. He's near to the broken heart.
Okay, I believe that I am finished. For now, anyways. Journals, of course, always grow and grow, and I will add all my notes to here and probably little bits and pieces as we go, but as you can see, it is large. It definitely lived up to its 3-inch spine. I found this after I finished everything else. I might add that to here. I'm not sure if I like that yet or not. We'll see. But other than that, I think that's it. I may do a quick little flip through. Well, it won't be that quick, but I'll do one more video and I'll do a flip through, and then we'll be done with this project. So if you want to see the flip through, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. And if you like this video and you like this series of videos, please give me a like, and I would love to hear your comments as well if you would like to comment on anything in this series, anything in this journal. Thanks so much.